The smell of the steak is invading my nostrils.
Welcome back everyone to Honeymooners Club, where we explore together and love forever. Today we'll be taking you along with us as we explore the beautiful Waldorf Astoria and Monarch Beach. We'll be showing you everything we ate, drank, we'll be checking out the pools, the gym, and lastly we'll be wrapping it all up with an amazing dinner at Bourbon Steak by Chef Mina. This place is seriously stunning and we can't wait to share it with you guys. If you missed part 1, definitely go back and watch it first, where we show you how we managed to stay here for completely free. As soon as we checked in, the staff immediately acknowledged our Hilton Diamond status, which was a great start. We were also given early check-in, which was super convenient, and they even upgraded us to a suite. Definitely a nice surprise. They also reminded us about the $25 per person per night food and credit beverage that comes with the Diamond status. And the best part, you could pretty much use it anywhere on the property, whether it's dining at restaurants, grabbing drinks, or even ordering room service. Speaking of dining, they also let us know that there are complimentary amenities available at Aveo, Somber Cantina, and even through in-room dining, so you're definitely taken care of when you arrive here. After checking into our amazing suite, it was time for the pool. But first, we had to eat. So we stopped by Aveo Cantina to grab some food. One of the highlights of our lunch at Aveo Bar was the tuna tartare with Asian pear, and the best part, it was actually a complimentary dish from the chef. Tuna super fresh, the sweetness from the Asian pear was the perfect balance.
Cracker on top, sliced radishes. There's a mango Fresno relish inside of that. Avocado crema on the bottom, and a mango togadashi crema sauce that's around the side where the powder is in the yellow. Very, very bright flavors.
Yeah.
So you should enjoy this very, very well.
Next up, pool time. We headed down to the main pool to relax and soak up some sun. We used part of our daily food and beverage credit to grab a couple of pina coladas, which hit the spot perfectly. While hanging out, poolside bar actually surprised us with also some complimentary smoothies, a mango and a virgin pina colada. Such a nice gesture, and just another example of how great the service here is. After a long, exhausting day of lounging by the pool, we definitely needed a little pick-me-up, so we grabbed some espresso to recharge before heading out to dinner. And speaking of dinner, we were in for a real treat, where we headed to Bourbon Steak, the incredible restaurant by famous chef Mina. The anticipation was real, as you can tell. Tomato bisque, cheers and...
Oh, wow.
Shortly after the tomato bisque, we decided to go all in, and it was so worth it.
The smell of the steak is invading my nostrils.
We shared an amazing steak, which was perfectly cooked. Then we ordered the triple mac and cheese, and that was insanely rich and creamy. We also decided to try the Wagyu fried rice, and that was a total flavor bomb. And to top it all off, we had a bottle of Aster wine that we paired beautifully with everything else. Easily, this was one of the best meals of our trip. After dinner, we ended the night by unwinding by the fireplace with an incredible sunset view. It was the perfect way to wrap up the evening, and when we got back to our room, such a sweet surprise that we found a box full of beautifully arranged macaroons. That was such a thoughtful touch by the concierge. Next morning, we decided to sign up for a kickboxing class. We're going now where? Kickboxing class. Gotta balance out all the amazing food we ate somehow. Burn off all those calories. And after that, we squeezed in a quick workout at the gym to burn off a few extra calories as well. Honestly, the fitness center here had everything we needed, whether it was just getting in a light session or going full out. Oh yeah. Team gains. And this pretty much wraps up our stay at the Waldorf Astoria Monarch Beach. We truly hope you guys have enjoyed coming along with us. If you liked this video, be sure to check out the other one where we give you a full tour of our upgraded suite that we scored, plus how to find free parking nearby so you can skip that $65 validity fee. If you're dreaming of the perfect honeymoon or planning your next romantic escape, you're definitely in the right place, where we explore together and love forever. Stay tuned for more unforgettable trips made for two. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future adventures. Stay tuned to the next episode.